Hey guys, JT here with a quick unboxing and look at the WL Toys. This is the 979B. This is actually, it's not the buggy version, but it's actually the monster truck version of one of the buggies that I had before. And I got this from rcmoment. So I'm pretty curious to see how much faster this is than the buggy and how this thing handles as well. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description. And in there, I also have a promo code if you guys want to get like $5 off. Right now, they got a pretty good sale going on. These things run about $53, and you can get $8 off. So you're going to pay about $45. Probably shipping's about $10. So you're going to pay about $55 for this. No, yeah, that looks good. So I'll put all that in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these. So I'm going to pull this out real quick. And that actually, I like that color scheme that's on there. Alright guys, got all the formalities out the way. We're going to take a quick look at the truck. They also included an adapter for an American plug. This was kind of in the actual packaging of this when it arrived in the mail. But they did include an adapter with it, which is good. So now, if I wanted to, I could use this included charger with it. I think this is like 0.8 amps or something like that. But this comes with a 1500 milliamp LiPo battery, but I'll check that and see as well. We got kind of a little bit of glare going on, so we can get this to focus in just a little bit. So this is the Lipo Charger that comes with. It only charges 2S LiPos, but that's fine. I have a lot of these actually, and this is kind of what I use to overnight charge my batteries. That's kind of how I keep my batteries up. So I got a couple of these. I got some associated ones, and I got a Helion one too that charges either at a higher amperage or adjustable amperage rate. So these are actually good, and I usually keep these anyway to charge LiPo batteries up. But anyway, let's take a look at this real quick. This is going to be the radio that is included with this. It's the same one that's included with the buggy. It kind of reminds you of some of the Spectrum ones. It has the same feel for it as well. So, and it does use 4 AA's. And it does have your basic, if you can see this right there, your basic throttle trim and steering trim as well. So it is 2.4 gigahertz, so that's a plus or a good thing there. So looking at this buggy or this truck, I'm sorry, real quick. I like this color scheme of it. I don't know if looking at this through the video does it any justification, but I really like the way this thing looks. And you guys know that I like trucks. I really do like trucks and monster trucks. So I'm liking the way this is kind of set up and stuff. Now I know the suspension will be a little bit bouncy and stuff on it, which is fine. But there's something I'm going to surprise you guys with if you haven't seen the unboxing and the running of the buggy version of this. Is that big old motor. Look at that. So there is a 550 or a 540, I'm sorry, size brush motor that is included in here. And this has one of those 2-in-1 speed controllers. And the servo and stuff, everything is held up in the buggy pretty fine. I didn't have any breakage or anything with that. So I expect kind of the same thing out this. And this is probably going to be a little bit faster because of the larger diameter tires and wheels that come with this. So I'm taking a close look at this up close. Let's see if we can get this to zoom in a little bit and not be so blurry. There we go. So you guys see there's metal dog bones in the front and also in the rear. The servo I never had any problems or issues with. And like I said, it does come with this 2-in-1 speed control. And it does come with this small LiPo pack too. So it's basically ready to run except for AA's out the box, which is fine. Everyone should be able to supply their own AA's. And it does come with these Dean style connectors as well. So if you just got a regular charge, you want to hook this up, you can charge it at like 1.5 amps or something and get it charged in maybe, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. So this is going to be interesting to get this thing running. Some of the other things about this, as you look on there, you see it does have a couple of aluminum components and stuff on there as well for durability. But I'm actually going to take this one off-road a little bit more and take it to possibly the skate park as well, because I'm curious to how this is going to hold up there. I'm not going to be jumping over the super high jumps over there, but I'm basically going to be running off-road. I'm going to try to get a speed test as well, because I believe the buggy went about, I think it was about 33 or so, 34 miles per hour. So it was quick. It was faster than some other like brushed two-wheel drive cars and four-wheel drive cars I had, so it was funny. Now the handling has something to be spoken of with that, but at something this small and that speed, you can't expect it to be able to handle like a big 10-scale car, but it did okay for what it was worth. So I'm going to try to get this up and running within the next day or two and get some videos of this thing as well. I may just try to run it tonight and get some videos up of that. So Don't forget to look in the link or in the description for a link and also for a promo code because you get like $8 off. And also, if you guys haven't, you should tune into some of my social media accounts, especially like on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If I can remember, I'll try to put links out there and also Twitter, because a lot of times some companies will send me some promotional codes or links to like their site, and you just click on that link and you can actually see stuff they have on sale. Sometimes I'll get some stuff or items for scratch and dent, and they'll say, hey, take this link for it. So for YouTube, I'll put it in the community section of it. So if you guys are paying attention to that, you'll see some links coming out there. So for instance, there's an Easter promotion going on through rcmoment. So with that, I'm going to put that out there, and I'll put on a couple of social media sites as well. And they got some really good deals going on. So I don't want you guys to miss out on that if you guys are looking for deals and stuff like that. So, oh, and real quick, this is an instruction manual. They give you a little tool for the tires and wheels. This one's going to be plastic, so but I'll use my metal one. But they just give you basic instruction manuals about the truck as well. So, but anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I did put this out there on the community part of YouTube, and a couple of you guys did respond and say it's fast, and I know it's going to be really fast. It's going to be really funny fast. So, there was something else I wanted to talk about with this truck that was going to be a little bit different. It's probably going to be this bumper, because I did see that, and it does have a little bit of flex to it, but if you hit a wall dead on a 35, this may break off, but that's to be expected for that. So I may loosen the screws up just a little bit just to give this some play with it. So, and it doesn't, of course, come with oil-filled shocks, but I believe I saw someone take one of these and actually modify it and put like oil-filled shocks and stuff like that from a low-C, excuse me, a low-C buggy or truck unit. So we'll see if I go that far with this. I just kind of want to get this thing out and get it running and show it to you guys. This is going to be very funny as fast as it is. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more videos. And thanks for watching.